In this video guys, I will show you how to transfer data from ZBD app to Coinbase, from ZBD to Coinbase. So friends, all you have to do, open your Coinbase and click on transfer option, look for transfer option. After that, click receive a crypto to receive your crypto, and then choose your asset, for example Bitcoin. After that, friends, when you should select Bitcoins, select for network the Bitcoin, for example. After that, click amount you want to receive, $2.32, and then guys click on receive option, click on voice created, copy this invoice from here or can scan, and then open your ZBD app and click on paste this option, paste and continue, and then guys click this icon here, right from here to here, you can see here. After that guys, you will withdraw successfully, you can see yes. This is how you can do guys. Just follow simple steps, click transfer and then receive crypto, choose the network and open ZBD app and copy this invoice or this QR codes, and then click paste and continue on ZBD app. Thanks for watching guys this video. I hope guys this guide for helpful for you, and then don't forget